Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up for you all, Capricorn. Five of Wands, Five of Pentacles, the Moon, Capricorns. With these cards, I feel you are struggling towards something. You may feel somebody is causing trouble for you. They may be competing with you. They may make things worse for you. This may be in your relationship or in your work. So some kind of trouble, and you are struggling, guys. You are struggling to make things right. So that is the way you feel today. So and this person you are with, maybe not them, maybe your past person or somebody from your family or friends. They may be creating problems for you today in your relationship with this person. They may be talking behind your back. They may be gossiping about you, about this relationship or about this person, and they may be causing lots of troubles, guys. And Capricorn, you may be dealing with the Scorpio. This person may be a Scorpio, guys. And these troubles, maybe you're feeling sick or tired because of it, or you feel people are trying to use you for your position, and they are not truly your friend. They may be disguised as a friend, but in their heart of hearts they do not have good intentions towards you. So that is the way you feel, guys. Maybe this is your person's energy towards this relationship, or your energy towards this relationship, guys. So let us see what is coming up with these cards. We'll get a better clarity with these cards, guys. See what is coming on. Heart, choices, birds. With these cards again, guys, in this relationship, someone is trying to separate you, or they are trying to gossip behind you and create problems for you both. This may be a friend disguised as a friend. They are not truly your friend. They just want to have a way with you. They are talking behind you. Maybe you are you feel you have choices, but you do not know where to start and what to do and what will be your direction. For some of you all, Capricorn, that is the way you feel. Maybe you felt great love, attraction and affinity with this person, but you feel you do not have a choice today regarding what you want to do today, regarding your actions, and you're totally confused, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. And maybe for some of you all, you may be taking counsel from some friends and family. You may be taking their suggestions or ideas, or you may be getting some important suggestions or ideas from true friends, guys. or they may be the ones pointing you about the people who are not your true friends, who are trying to create problems for you. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us with today. What is the fairies guidance today, guys? Grumpy red fairy, be your true self. So the energy with these cards is, guys, sometimes we just try to fit in with the people, so we strictly follow the rules, and in the long run we just forget what we are. So sometimes we need to be free enough to express ourselves, guys, express in all the exciting and dynamic ways, creative ways. So whatever you want to do, if you enjoy music, if you love music, you can listen to it, you can play, learn to play, and you have to try to be authentic and try the different things that you love to do. So when you do that, you really find out what an amazing person you are, and it will just warm everybody who's around us. They will see the true authentic self, authentic us. So we will highlight our true self to the people around us, and they will love what we are, guys, when we overcome all the restrictions we place on ourselves. So that is the energy with this fairy card. So that is the reading for today, Capricorn. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.